Sri Mamta Sanghmitra.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker, sir. I am standing here to speak on few clauses or sections of the Employees Compensation Act 1923. It is the single first social security legislation of India. I am really happy that this Compensation Act is for laborer class, oppressed class or poorer class of the people. I should say somebody, our All India Trinamool Congress, the leader Mamata Banerjee, headed by Mamata Banerjee, is the Sarkar for the people, of the people and for the lower level people. So I am speaking on behalf of them, that is mine. But only irony of the thing is that, as my other colleague also said, that there was commission, Labour Commission, who recommended in 1974 and even in 1989, but not a single change was being done. Here is a change, an amendment. They recommended several amendments, but only here is the one that is also very simple one. That is though it is in favor of the labourer class, I would say. But anyway, the first of the amendment is this enhanced penalty amount for various violations under the Act from existing amount of 5,000 to 50,000 or extended up to 1 lakh rupees. In the case of Section 17 of which, and it is in 17A it is. But I should say this enhancement is for, it is said that in the 16th it is there, employer should inform while employing the employee that there is a compensation he can attain if there is a injury or in case of a death to the next to kin persons. But the problem is this, that it is this information, this amendment is that it should be in the writing or in the digital media. But problem is most of our labourer class can't read. So there should be some Shakshi, I would say, while he is narrating it should be verbal said, and that he has agreed to understand it, that should be there in the amendment also. And the second point is only about that information, but there are other statutory notes, like in case of if it is a injury, then depending on the amount of injury, whether this in the Factory Act, that is that there should be provision for the safety measure. That is the most important thing. What about fine if there is a safety measure is not there properly, and who is going to look? Of course I know the commission has got inspectors who inspect it. Right. That should be sure, and it should be regular reporting that that's factory or whatever it is, employer's place is how safety is properly maintained. Otherwise there should be a regular fine. Right. In that case, that should be enhanced. And then also if there is not only that, in case of and there is the second point, another amendment is the rise of the amount for appeal file. So that is 300 rupees. It was before that if it is a less than 300 rupees, then there is they cannot file a case. But now it is extended up to 10,000 rupees and higher amount by central government. My other colleagues have also said that central government should be omitted. Because it should be, the law is law, that should be the central government could not direct over there later on. And then about the omitting of the introduced section 30A, where it is said that the payment of employment, that is, I am completely agreeing with that the empowering the commissioner. And about the various, our colleagues have said that this compensation, even that cases are filed for years, and that should be addressed, and there should be an amendment, or there should be a law, amendment in the law, so that for the commissions also, so that they look for the redressal of the cases. Another minute, sir, in the West Bengal government, and also the compensation, there is a rule that it should be paid by 3 months. But usually that never happens. But to ensure that, and so that in between the trouts cannot capture the part of the money, the West Bengal government has, by notification from the Directorate of Employees Compensation, they have said that it should be, if it is a compensation is more than 20,000, but it should be by the direct bank payment to the person or keen's account, and that too also will be with the. Thank you.
Right. Shri Rameshwar.
Anyway, I am supporting the bill.
Rameshwar.